Hi friends, welcome to Azure Datafactory series. In this video, we are going to discuss about copy file from blob to Azure SQL table in Azure Datafactory. So in this, some of the steps we have already covered in previous sessions. If you are not watching, please go through that previous sessions. So create Datafactory, create Azure storage account and Azure SQL database services and linked services, Azure blob storage, ADLS storage account, and database datasets. So these some of the steps we have already created in previous sessions. So today we are going to create a pipeline with the copy activity to load the data from CSV file to Azure SQL table. Let's go there. So let me upload a file. This is our storage account, tech study and containers, source. Let me upload the source file, sales data, upload. Yeah, our source file is uploaded successfully. So I have opened already Datafactory. Let's create pipeline. PL underscore copy data from ADLS to Azure SQL table. So here we can add if required data description and annotations. So for now we are not going to add that. Let's continue. Copy activity. Let's rename this. Go to the source. So storage account we haven't created previous data set and linked service. Let's create new. Here also we can create. If you remember previous lessons, we have created under manage tab. Now we are going to create linked services in this section only, data sets as well. Data sets previously we have created here, new data set. So there is a two ways we can create data sets and linked services. So let's create new. So storage account, ADLS Gen2, select that. File format is CSV, select that. And this is dataset ds underscore ADLS source. Linked service we don't have for this storage account. Let's create ls underscore stable. Let's select our storage account in under subscription, tech study, test the connection. So create. Created. So let's select the file, source, sales data, click OK, and schema is none, not required. Click OK. So let's preview the data. So it's visible. We are good. So let's go for sync. So we have source sync server. Let's create a new Azure SQL services for sync. ds underscore Azure SQL underscore sync. So we have already created a linked service. Let's use that. So table name is sales data. Okay, click OK. So validate, it's good, and let's debug. Before that, let's check the data is there or not in the table. So we don't have data in this table now. So let's debug the pipeline. See, we can check here how many rows are reading and everything we can see here. See, 2823 rows read. Succeeded. Pipeline got succeeded. See, succeeded. So in this section, we can see the input. What is the input and what is the details we can see here. So let's check the data in the table. So see, 2823. You will see here 2823 rows copied from Azure Blob storage to Azure SQL database table. Okay, this is how we can load the data from blob storage to Azure SQL databases. Okay. So this is pipeline is done. So we have already configured our GitHub configuration. Let's publish the changes to our GitHub. Whatever we have created, data sets, everything, we'll publish it to our GitHub. The publishing succeeded. Once published, then it will generate the ARM templates. See, we have created a new pipeline, and these are the new data sets and linked service. All are showing what are the new changes we did. So these new changes we are directly publishing to main branch. So if any developer working, they will create a future branch. From future branch, once they have developed and they have tested everything, then they will move to the future branch to main branch. They will create a pull request and they will push the changes from future branch to main branch. Here we are directly using the main branch. I will show you those details in our coming sessions in Azure DevOps. Okay, so this is good. So let me check GitHub generated or not. Let me show you the see. So pipeline we have created. It's created linked services, two linked services. So data sets which we have 3, those are available. So we are good. Okay. This is how we will use the GitHub repository in our Azure Data Factory. So this is about today's session. Thank you guys. So if you are watching first time, please subscribe to my channel to get new notifications and pass it to your friends. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.